Hey friends, welcome back to IT Beast. Today I am going to show you how to install a screen protector in Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So nowadays the screen protector has started coming in different way. It is not like it used to come before. So as you can see, it has glue and a lot more. So it is a bit complicated for those who does not know how to install it. So I will just try to show you how to install it.
So let's open it. So as you can see, there's one packet and there's a glue and there's a light. And this is only for external use. Dust remover, and there's a guide. There are guide stickers in it. And as you can see, there's a handkerchief, or a very small handkerchief. Now this is the glue. From the back we need to open this glue and then add it to the mobile. And now this is kind of the laser light. And this is the actual screen guard. I'm gonna remove it. So see, this is the actual screen guard. This is my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the back side of it. Now first we need to remove, there's a small paper like strip which we need to remove from the mobile. As you can see, we're gonna remove this from the mobile. Now we are gonna add alcohol prep pad. We're gonna put this on it. It's a small handkerchief which is wet. Now we are gonna clean the mobile with this. And now we have to take the small dry handkerchief and we need to clean it like we did with the alcohol prep pad. Now we are going to clean it again. Now we are going to remove the dust remover. And what we need to do is just put it on it and take it back again. Put it on it and take it back again. So the dust will stick on the dust remover. As you can see. Now this is the glue package. Now we are gonna open it. Now we have to break this thing off it so that the glue comes out. And now the back cover, we need to remove it so that the glue drops out of it. As you can see, the glue is dropping off. What we are gonna do is we have to balance it so that it doesn't go off of the mobile. As you can see, the paper slip is now coming out. I'm putting the cover package under the mobile so that it balances and it doesn't fall. So we have to do this very carefully. As you can see, as we put it, the thing spreads. It spreads so that it doesn't look like there's a screen guard inside. As you can see, it's spreading and it is looking like there's no screen guard inside now. Spreading. It has almost spread everywhere. As you can see, it has almost spreaded. So as you can see, just a little bit of it. Once that finished, then it's spreaded. Yes, it is finished. So now we are going to keep it down. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the charging port in this laser light. As you can see, we need to put this laser light. Now we are going to clean it out the front again. As you can see, I have on my mobile and the screen guard blends so much. You see my mobile